The 2002 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, running boards, power steering, front air conditioning, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Come see the car for yourself.